Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. If you have an iPhone, a Mac, or an iPad, this is important information for you. Looks like there was an emergency software update for these devices to close a security vulnerability, which was found to have been exploited in prior attacks, they're saying. The vulnerability was spotted by Bleeping Computer, which is where the article originates. And then I guess it was shared with Cord Cutters News, which is where I'm getting this report from. The link will be down below in the description. So they're saying that Apple is aware of a report that this issue may have been exploited against versions of iOS before versions 16.71. Apple said this in an advisory that came out on Wednesday. So they're saying the vulnerability was located in the code for its WebKit browser engine, which allowed attackers to access information on the device. So the company says it's addressed the security flaws for devices running iOS 17.12, iPad OS 17.12, and Mac OS Sonoma 14.12, as well as Safari 17.12, with improved input validation and locking, they're saying. So the devices that were impacted, they're saying is quite extensive, and it includes iPhone XS and later, iPad Pro 12.9 inch second generation and later, iPad Pro 10.5 inch, iPad Pro 11 inch first generation and later, iPad Air third generation and later, iPad sixth generation and later, and iPad mini 5th generation and later. They're also saying Macs running Mac OS Monterey, Ventura, and Sonoma were infected. And they're saying that the updates include Mac OS Sonoma 14.12, iOS 17.12, iPad OS 17.12, and again 17.12 for Safari. They're saying given these vulnerabilities were already exploited by hackers, we recommend that you do the update as quick as possible just to make sure that you're covered, that you don't have any issues. You guys pay a lot of money for these devices. You don't want to lose out because someone decided to do a bad thing, which can ultimately create havoc for you. You paid a lot of money for your devices. You know what I mean? So this is just a heads up. Share this with you guys. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.